Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating your Quest 2 and the Oculus mobile app to the latest software. This ensures the mixed reality features work and remain stable. Charge the headset fully and confirm you have adequate storage, for example, 64 GB or more for multiple apps. Adjust the physical IPD to one of the 3 positions for clearer visuals. Then set the refresh rate to 72 Hz in settings when available for smoother pass-through visuals and better tracking. Open your headset settings and enable pass-through or pass-through ++ mixed reality in the experimental or device options. Grant camera and microphone permissions in the Oculus mobile app so the headset can show your environment and capture audio. For PC mixed reality via link, use a USB-C cable or a 3M quality cable for stable high-bandwidth connections. Install or update MR-capable apps, and ensure the PC application uses OpenXR or the official Oculus runtime. Start each mixed reality session by aligning virtual content with the pass-through overlay and marking real obstacles with the Guardian system. Choose hand tracking or controllers based on the app, and calibrate hand tracking under device settings for better interaction. Use the headset microphone or pair a 3.5 headset for clearer audio if needed. Close unnecessary background apps. Keep the refresh rate at 72 Hz, and reboot the headset after major changes for the best performance and stability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.